Why did you want to meet me here?
I need you to beat a man called Goliath from the other dojo. They're taking up all the money from the martial arts industry. He's coming down here to pick up some support. Be ready. I know you can do this.
Thank you.
So as time passed, Jonathan died and then Saul killed himself because he was sad.
Jonathan!
Okay, now that they're dead, David gets to be the leader that he always wanted to be. Yeah.
David! What? Saul and Jonathan died. You're the leader of the gang. Whoa!
So then he decided to invade the city of Jerusalem.
Okay, how are we gonna get in there? We need a backpack to ram the door. Okay, what do I do with this? Hit people. Okay, go! Pretty good. What the?
お前はもう死んでいる。何？